0.6 mixed numbers and improper fractions?
I can.
Oh, I can convert between mixed numbers and improper fractions.
And we were all able to do that at this point?
Yes.
Cool. A couple of items, mixed numbers would be a whole or several wholes and then part of the number 1. Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay. An improper fraction is something numerator is bigger than the denominator. The last word that we had that you actually have in your notes that we're not seeing up here because we had to use makeshift notes since I lost mine would be a fraction, and you guys said fractions were part of a whole. They're also division problems, right?
Yeah.
Then you just wrote down the 1. Then what we did is we practiced converting a mixed number to an improper fraction. You see all of these funky little arrows here. We went from the 5 to the 4, from the 4 to the 1. We multiplied here, we added there. What do we call that? Around the world is what you guys came up with for your cheat sheet idea. You just go around the world to convert from a mixed to an improper. Remember, the denominator is always going to be the what? Same, no matter what, right? So 3 1/3 converts to 10/3. Denominators are never going to change when you're converting from mixed to impropers. And then number 7 is a biggie. Can you ever calculate in this classroom using mixed numbers? Yes or no?
No.
No, you may never. Last one then is impropers to mixed numbers. 21/4 converted into a mixed. You use what? Division. And then all final answers must be in what form? Mixed number form. And then this was also in your notes, but again, when I lost mine, I didn't have it. 21/4. Remember this? Is 5 1/4. Okay, so I'm going to do this as quickly as I can. If I colored all of this in, I would have 5 wholes and then 1/4 of another, right? This is really bad. Sorry, it's really ugly. So that's 5 1/4. And then if I counted all of my sections, so there's 4 here, 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 and then we just filled in 1 there. We have how many fourths? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 21/4. Remember how that all worked?
Yeah.
You guys seem to get that pretty easily. Cool. Questions?